become future stars. Chapter 5. Dressing for the Day. Let's learn together. Understand the importance of wearing clothes. Identify clothes for different seasons. Recognize clothes for various occasions. Learn where clothes come from. Understand the role of fabric materials in clothing. Introduction. Clothes are an important part of our life. We wear clothes every day to cover our bodies and protect ourselves from heat, cold, dust, and rain. Clothes also make us look neat. We should always wear clean, comfortable, and suitable clothes for different seasons and occasions. Why do we wear clothes? Clothes help us in many ways. Protect our body from heat, cold, and rain. Keep us safe from insect bites and dust. Help us look neat and presentable. Keep us comfortable while working and playing. Types of clothes for different seasons. We wear different clothes in different seasons. Summer clothes. In summer, the weather is very hot. We wear light and cotton clothes to stay cool. Cotton absorbs sweat and keeps us dry. Examples: t-shirts, shorts, frocks, skirts, caps, cotton dresses. Winter clothes. In winter, the weather is cold. We wear woolen clothes to keep warm. Wool comes from sheep. Examples: sweaters, jackets, gloves, mufflers, woolen caps, and socks. Rainy season clothes. In the rainy season, there is heavy rainfall. We wear waterproof clothes to stay dry. Examples: raincoats, gumboots, and umbrellas. Clothes for different occasion. We wear different types of clothes based on the occasion. Some clothes are worn daily, while others are for special events. Uniform dressing for work and school. A uniform is a special dress worn by people in schools, offices, or jobs to look neat and disciplined. It helps everyone look the same and feel equal. School uniform. Students wear uniforms to school to create discipline and unity. Work uniform. Doctors, nurses, policemen, and firefighters wear uniforms that help them do their job properly. Casual clothes for everyday wear. These are comfortable clothes that we wear at home or while playing. T-shirts, jeans, and frocks are some examples. Party clothes for celebrations. During parties and celebrations, we wear fancy and colorful clothes. These clothes look stylish and are different from our daily wear. Traditional clothes for festivals and special days. Each country and culture has special traditional clothes. During festivals and weddings, people wear traditional outfits like saris, kurta pajamas, or lehengas. Sportswear for games and exercise. Comfortable and flexible clothes like track pants, shorts, and sports jerseys are worn during games and exercise. These clothes help us move freely and keep us cool. Wearing suitable clothes helps us feel comfortable and look presentable. It also shows respect for the occasion and the people around us. Amazing facts. In Punjab, men wear kurta pajama with a turban and women wear salwar kameez with a dupatta. Where do we get clothes from? We wear different types of clothes every day. But have you ever thought about where they come from? Clothes are made from different materials that we get from nature or factories. Clothes from plants and animals. Some clothes come from plants and animals. These clothes are soft and comfortable. Cotton clothes. Cotton comes from the cotton plant. It is used to make soft and cool clothes like t-shirts and dresses. Woolen clothes. Wool comes from sheep. It keeps us warm in winter. Sweaters, scarves, and woolen socks are made from wool. Silk clothes. Silk comes from silkworms. Silk clothes are smooth and shiny, and people wear them on special occasion. Clothes made in factories. Some clothes are made using special materials in factories. These clothes are strong and last longer. Nylon clothes. Nylon is used to make raincoats and socks because it dries quickly. Polyester clothes. These clothes do not wrinkle easily and are used for school uniforms and sportswear. Special clothes for special uses. Some clothes protect us from different weather conditions. Raincoats and umbrellas, made from waterproof materials to keep us dry in the rain. Warm clothes. Thick woolen sweaters help us stay warm in winter. Amazing facts. In Kashmir, people wear a long, warm gown called a fairan to stay warm in the cold weather. Clothes come from plants, animals, and factories. Natural fabrics like cotton, wool, and silk keep us comfortable, while man-made fabrics like nylon and polyester are strong and long-lasting. Wearing the right clothes for different seasons and occasion helps us stay comfortable and protected. Recap. We wear clothes to protect ourselves from heat, cold, and rain. Clothes help us look neat and feel comfortable. In summer, we wear light cotton clothes to stay cool. In winter, we wear woolen clothes to keep warm. We use raincoats and umbrellas in the rainy season. We wear uniforms for school and some jobs. We wear different clothes for daily wear, parties, and special occasion like festivals. Like, share, and subscribe.